Going through a bad credit repair service, Phoenix AZ. Going through a bad credit repair service. Bad credit repair services promise to help individuals improve their credit score, but sometimes these services can do more harm than good. A bad credit repair service can result in added fees, wasted time, and a further decrease in your credit score. Here's what you need to know about the dangers of going through a bad credit repair service and how to avoid them. First and foremost, it's important to understand that no credit repair service can guarantee an immediate improvement in your credit score. If a service claims to be able to instantly remove negative items from your credit report, it's most likely a scam. Your credit score is determined by a complex algorithm that takes into account various factors, including payment history, credit utilization, and the length of your credit history. Improving your credit score takes time and effort, and there are no shortcuts. Another red flag to look out for is a credit repair service that asks for payment before providing services. Legitimate credit repair services usually require payment after they have successfully disputed negative items on your credit report and improved your credit score. If a service asks for payment upfront, it's best to steer clear as it may not deliver on its promises. Moreover, some bad credit repair services can use tactics that are illegal. For example, they may ask you to create a new credit identity by obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, instead of your social security number. This is known as file segregation, and it's illegal. These services may also ask you to dispute accurate information on your credit report, which can result in further damage to your credit score. Additionally, a bad credit repair service may charge you exorbitant fees for services that you can do yourself for free. For example, you can dispute errors on your credit report by contacting the credit bureaus directly, without the need for a third-party service. Before hiring a credit repair service, be sure to research the costs and compare them to the services offered. Finally, some bad credit repair services may use high-pressure sales tactics to get you to sign up for their services. They may promise quick results, but they may not disclose the risks and limitations of their services. If a service is making unrealistic promises or pressuring you to sign up, it's best to walk away. In conclusion, going through a bad credit repair service can do more harm than good. It's important to do your research and choose a reputable credit repair service that uses ethical and legal tactics to improve your credit score. If you're unsure about a service, check their reputation and reviews online, and look for information from reliable sources such as the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, or the Better Business Bureau (BBB). Improving your credit score takes time and effort, but with the right approach, you can achieve your financial goals.